Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Have you ever been to a museum to learn about history?
Yes, I remember when I went to the Makkah Museum, which is located in Saudi Arabia. This museum contained all things related to the history of Makkah, and also related to the Masjid al Haram.
Okay. Do you think history is important?
Yeah, history is most important for every person, for every kind of people, because for a current generation wants to must know about the history of past people. So that
So
is
that is
important.
why I think history is crucial.
Crucial.
For important, you can get crucial or vital or anything like that.
Exactly.
Good. When was the last time you read a book about history?
Last month, last month I read the book about the history of Islam, which is related from the all caliph
Related to?
the all caliph of Muslim history, four caliph related to in Muslim history. I remember that this book I read.
Okay. Do you think history should be taught as a subject in schools?
Of course, I think because before said about history is most important for every kind of person, even in childhood. Person or people know about the history. Then they maintain and follow previous past persons.
Okay, this is a bit unclear. You should just link it. For example, do you think it is important to teach history at schools? I think it is vital to teach history at schools so that children know about their forefathers. They must learn from their ancestors. They should see who their ancestors were, what their contribution was, what did they do, so that they could decide about their future. Something like that.
Okay.
Okay? Otherwise, answers are good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go on, please. The topic is cake. Do you like desserts?
Yes, I like desserts. I love so much dessert. I usually I can skip a meal, but we but I take two portion of desserts. I take
Okay.
instead.
Now, you know what you are doing? You're reading, you are actually answering slowly.
Yeah.
Today, just one of the subscribers on my channel got 5.5 band in speaking. So when I read the description, in the description, it was written speaks slowly. So if you speak slowly, if you repeat your ideas, if you use the same words again and again, then you'll get low band for that. So speak actively and try to maintain a good fluency level, right? That is important. Let's go on. What is your favorite flavor of cake?
My favorite flavor is the lava cake, which is the most tasty, and me and my friends also like this cake.
Okay. Have you ever baked a cake?
Actually, I am not cook to, and I didn't try to make a cake in my life. But once time, my friend suggested me to let's try to make a cake. Then we decided to make, but unfortunately, cannot make a better.
Okay. How often do you buy cake from the market?
Mostly we purchase the cake on festivals, like sometimes when we purchase a cake on the birthdays as of my friends, childs, and sometimes
Okay,
we
child's is wrong, children.
Children.
So the first thing, speak actively. The second thing, connect your ideas.
Connect.
Because most of the sentences you are making, they are simple. Try to make compound sentences, right? And finally, your answer should have 3 parts: direct answer, elaboration in 2 to 3 sentences, and then conclusion. So once you practice these things, it'll be better, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.